If you want to know how to link your SketchUp model to Lumion in under 1 minute, then look no further. This is a quick guide, so let's begin right away. Well, first of all, you need to open extension tab over here and choose extension warehouse. Then just scroll down. Keep in mind, if you are not logged into a SketchUp, you may need to log in here. But if you are logged in, just scroll down, find Lumion Live Sync, and click install. You might see that it doesn't appear. Just go here to view toolbars and scroll down, find Lumion Live Sync, and tick it right here. Now we have it over here. Let's make sure that we have our SketchUp model imported in Lumion. Now that we know we have it imported, we just click play and wait for a while. So that's it. As you could see, SketchUp and Lumion are perfectly linked now, and whatever edits you do in SketchUp now registers instantly in Lumion. Now, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel.